example of multiple alleles and also a condition called erythroblastosis fetalis, which is also called as hemolytic disease of newborn. So let's start. Okay, so in humans, there are different blood group system like ABO blood group system, which we follow, MN blood group system, Bombay blood group system, and so on. Okay, but we are going to focus today on ABO blood group system, which we follow. Okay, there are four different types of blood groups. Okay, चार types के blood groups होते हैं. There are four types of blood group: A blood group, B blood group, AB blood group, and O blood group. Can you tell me which is the universal donor and which is the universal acceptor? Think for some time. इसमें से यूनिवर्सल डोनर कौन सा है जो ब्लड ग्रुप सबको ब्लड डोनेट कर सकता है? वो होगा हमारा यूनिवर्सल डोनर. और जो ब्लड ग्रुप सबसे ब्लड रिसीव कर सकता है सब ब्लड ग्रुप से, वो होगा हमारा यूनिवर्सल एक्सेप्टर. सो थिंक एंड टेल मी विच ब्लड ग्रुप इज यूनिवर्सल डोनर and which is universal acceptor. Okay, this you must have studied in your lower classes, no? So O blood group is the universal donor. People with O blood group can donate blood to all the blood groups. And AB blood group is the universal acceptor. Okay, you AB blood group universal acceptor है, वो किसी भी blood group से blood accept कर सकता है. O blood group can donate blood to any of the blood groups. Okay. O is the universal donor, AB is the universal acceptor. Now see here, people with blood group A have got A antigen on RBC surface. ये है RBC और उसके ऊपर आप ये जो देख रहे हो ब्लू कलर में, ये है एंटीजन. Okay, so antigen is a substance which is present on the surface of RBC, okay, which triggers immune response. Okay, antigen is a substance which can trigger immune response. Okay, so antigen यहाँ पे RBC के surface पे A antigen होता है. People with blood group have got A antigen on the surface of their RBCs. Okay, जिनका blood group A है उनके RBC के surface पे A antigen होता है. And they have got B antibody in their blood. Okay, antibodies are protective chemicals released by the body. So people with A blood group उनके RBC के surface पे होता है A antigen and blood में या plasma में होता है B antibody. Similarly, people with B blood group on their RBC surface have got B antigen and in their plasma they have got A antibody. People with AB blood group have both the antigens, A and B antigens on the surface of RBC and no antibody in the plasma. Okay, and people with O blood groups have got no antigen, absolutely no antigen, so they can donate blood to anybody, and they have got two antibodies, anti-A and anti-B in their plasma. Okay, so this is about the blood groups. Okay, A blood group, B blood group, AB blood group and O blood group. So O blood group में दो antibodies है and no antigens on the RBC surface. People with AB blood group have both the antigens but no antibodies. People with blood groups B have got B antigen and anti-A antibody in the blood. People with A blood group have got A antigen and anti-B antibody in the blood. Okay. Now see, what are the genotypes? Okay, blood group ऐसे ही नहीं आते किसी में. They should have certain genotypes, certain genes, okay, which will give them that blood group. So blood groups are controlled by genes and alleles are nothing but alternate forms of same gene. देखो, people with blood group A have got two alleles in homozygous condition, IA, IA, or they can also have genotype IA small I. Okay, अगर ये जीनोटाइप हुआ IA और IA and small I, a person will have blood group A. Person with blood group B will have genotype IB or IB small I. Person with blood group AB will have genotype IA and IB. Okay, and person with blood group O will have two small i's as their genotype. So these are the different genotypes which make a person have a certain blood group. Next, okay. In see, whenever a doctor gives a person's blood group, we go to a pathology lab to check our blood group, and the doctor will give ARH positive, yeah, BRH positive, or ARH negative, BRH negative, right? So why doctor does that? Because in on the RBC surface, apart from A antigen and B antigen, there is also D antigen present. Okay, people who have got D antigen on the surface of RBCs are called RH positive. And people who do not have D antigen on surface of RBC, they are called RH negative. जिन लोगों में RBC के surface पे D antigen होता है, apart from A और B antigen, then they are called RH positive. ओके, सपोज अ पर्सन हैज, एक आदमी के आरबीसी के ऊपर ए एंटीजन है और डी एंटीजन है, then that person will be ARH positive. Or suppose a person has got B antigen and D antigen on the surface of RBC, then that person will be BRH positive. Okay, so people who have got D antigen on the surface of RBC, they are called RH positive. Okay, now see, there are certain people like O negative, they don't have A or B antigen. They will have only D, O positive people, sorry, they don't have A or B antigen. They will have only D antigen on the surface of RBC. Then we call them O RH positive, and people who are ORH negative, they don't have any antigen A, B, or D on the surface. So RH negative people do not have D antigen. RH positive people have got D antigen on the surface. RH stands for rhesus factor. It was discovered in rhesus monkey, a type of monkey called as rhesus monkey. So it is rhesus factor, and जिनके पास ये rhesus factor होता है, they have got D antigen on the surface of RBC. जिनके आरबीसी के सरफेस पे डी एंटीजन है, दे आर कॉल्ड पॉजिटिव. जिनके आरबीसी के सरफेस पे डी एंटीजन एब्सेंट है, दे आर कॉल्ड आरएच नेगेटिव पीपल. Okay, now we are going to study a very important condition that is called erythroblastosis fetalis, or it is called hemolytic disease of newborn. Okay, erythroblastosis fetalis or hemolytic disease of newborn. Let's see this. Suppose a mother is Rh negative. This condition can occur only and only if mother is Rh negative. Okay, it can occur in mothers who are Rh positive. Okay, if a mother is Rh negative and she conceives her first baby and her first baby happens to be Rh positive, in that case, a mother's body recognizes the baby's antigen, which is the RH antigen, as foreign. ओके, बिकॉज मदर के आरबीसी पे वो एंटीजन है ही नहीं, डी एंटीजन, एंड बेबी के आरबीसी पे वो एंटीजन है. सो मदर्स बॉडी कंसिडर्स दिस RH antigen present in the baby's body as what? Foreign. And in mother's body, antibodies are produced. But during first pregnancy, the antibodies are not enough to cross the placenta and harm the baby. Okay, because they are synthesized in very less amount, as it's the first encounter of the body with the antigen. Okay, now see, when a mother becomes pregnant for the second time and second baby also happens to be Rh positive and mother is Rh negative, in that case, lot of antibodies are produced in the mother's body. They will cross the placenta and destroy or blast the RBCs of the baby. So the condition is called erythroblastosis, blasting of RBCs, destruction of RBCs. So in such case, babies, most of the RBCs are destroyed during the pregnancy. As soon as the baby is born, the baby is going to die. Okay. Now, is there a cure for this? Is there a prevention? Yes. Okay. Nowadays, during pregnancy, if a mother is Rh negative, a injection is given. That injection is called RhoGAM. Just that injection will prevent development of antibodies in the mother's body and stop this condition from occurring. And now it's a like a preventive checkup which is done in all the in all the women during pregnancy. And if a mother is negative, they are given this injection ROGAM, which is going to prevent development of antibodies against the baby's antibodies and prevent this condition, which is erythroblastosis fetalis or hemolytic disease of newborn. Okay. In our coming sessions, I'm going to solve more genetic problems based on blood group. Okay, so now I'm ending my this video. Let's continue with more videos. I will be more regular with the videos in my coming session. Bye for now. See you in my next session.